Welcome back to Ferris Cave, where every week we master a new woodworking joint, one cut at a time. Last week we worked with the Mechigai-tsugi, a stub tenon joint that proves that simple doesn't mean weak. This time we're crossing the realm of mystery. This is the Shiho Ari No Nazo, the four-way dovetail puzzle joint. A joint so clever that you don't know how it comes apart. And you won't believe that it's made from wood alone. The name literally means four-way dovetail mystery. It's a mechanical marvel where each piece interlocks into two axes, locking in place until the exact removal sequence is followed. When dry fit correctly, the two pieces lock together like a magic trick. Even when you know how it works, your brain just doesn't wrap around how it works. They're rare, they're difficult, but they are extremely beautiful and satisfying to look at. This joint is made by hand, locked by physics, and opened only by understanding. I figured out that in order to make this happen and make it great, you have to have a square beginning. If you're not square, then it might look a little bit strange. We're switching to this one here, and I hope I know what I'm doing, but I think from watching a few videos how they cut up, this is how it works. That should be quite easy, this one, right? Don't know. The angle? Let's go! I don't know what I'm doing, but let's go! What a strange cut, actually. It's the hardest cut I've ever done, mate. It's crazy, man. Okay. This is a crazy cut. Not bad, actually. The best part is chiseling again. My god, this is no joke, the hardest 10 I've ever attempted, mate. Now that I have practiced a little bit what to focus on. Hi. Fucking shit. Hard as shit. It's the fucking wrong angle. Now I had to cut it down, mate, because as you can see, this will never work. You know, this should be like that. And while I'm cutting, I was thinking to myself, huh? But now I know what's wrong. It would have never worked. I don't know how many attempts I did to draw the real line, but as you can see, now it's okay, I guess so. So if I go to, yeah. Cutting this is going to be much easier now. And I'm gonna skip through that and go right into the chiseling. Here, the angle is not... I can't even fit it through the first... It's really hard. Here, that's the problem. Uh-huh. Come on. You know what? Terrible. Here. Yes! It's done. It looks terrible. The Shiho Ari No Nazo. The most difficult joint I've ever tried, but at least I've finished it. Although it's terrible, it's really terrible. Coloring that black. Maybe the little bit of CGI I can make it look beautiful.
Nope.
I mean, it doesn't look pleasant, right? Well, to be honest, this joint is really hard and I should have practiced a little bit more. But nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed watching this episode. Thank you for watching. Like and comment in the description box below if you enjoyed watching this episode. And yeah, see you next time. Bye. Why are you even attempting to make some Japanese joinery? I mean, have you ever been there? Have you ever been to Japan?